Welcome students. Today we are going to see practice set 12 of chapter number 3. Find the HCF. HCF, its full form is children highest common factor. It is also called as by another name GCD. GCD's full form is greatest common divisor. It is one and the same thing only. Highest common factor, or it is also called as a GCD. So these are some of the numbers children, 10 numbers, 10 questions given to you all. We have to find out the HCF. The first question is 25 and 40. So here we have to find out the factors of 25 like we have did in practice set 11. Factors of 25. 25 comes in table of 5. 2 and 3 it will not go. So directly it comes in which prime number? 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. 40 units place it is 0, so it will come by go in table of 2, and 2 is a prime number. So 2, if you divide 40 by 2, 20. Again units place 0 is there, it will get divided by 2. So 2 tens is 20. 2 5s is 10, 5 1s are 5. So factors of 25, write it down, 5 multiplied by 5. Factors of 40, 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Sorry, 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 3 times 2 and 1 time 5. Now children, common factor. In this, what is the common factor? What is same in these two number? Which number is same? 5 is same. Rest 2 is here in 40, but it is not there in 5. So 25, sorry. So only 5 is common in both the numbers. So HCF is only called as those. Therefore HCF is only 5. Highest common factor is only 5. So what is the common factor in both? That will be the only your HCF. That is only the highest common factor. So HCF is 5. This is one of the method. You can find out the prime factors like this, and what is common in them, that is only your HCF. One more method is there, second method. You can do like this, 25 and 40 together you can write, and you can think of the table in which table it will go. Same table the numbers should go. 2's table it will not go both the tables, because 2's table 40 will go but 25 will not go. 3's table both the numbers will not go. After 3 the next number is 5. 5's table both the numbers are going. So 5 5s are 25 and 5 8s is 40. Now again you have to think it of which table this both the numbers will go. There is no such table in which both the numbers will come. So what is here? 5. So HCF is 5. There is no other table in which both the numbers will go. So that is why we stop it here only. So we got here only 5. So HCF is 5. So this is also one of the method. This is your first method, and this is your second method. You can go by any method which you feel easy. So I am going to solve by finding prime factor method as we did in 11th practice set. So let's solve it second sum, 56 and 32 by first method. 56 and 32, HCF by 56 and 32. These are the two numbers. Let's find the HCF. 56, factors of 56. 2's table it will go because units place it is 6. 2 2s are 4, 1 remaining, 2 8s are 16. 2's table again it will go, units place it is 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 14s is 28. 14 comes in table of 2, 2 7s are 14, 7 1s are 7. Now 32. Units place it is 2, it will go by 2. 2 16s are 32. You can divide it if you want. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So write the factors of 56. What we got? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. Factors of 32. 2 5 times. Now children, find out common factor first. 1 2 is common in both. Again these 2 are common in both. Second 2. One more 2 is common. Now 7 is here but it is not in here. So these only are the common. So 2, 2, 2. So how many 2 we got it common? 3 2s. You can multiply them. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Therefore HCF is what? 8. Is it okay, children? Now let's see the third sum. Third one is three numbers 40, 60 and 75. So let's find out the factors one by one. 40's factors, then 60's factors, then 75's factors. 40 units place 0 is there, it will go by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 zeros are 0. Again 0 is there, it will go by 2. 2 is a prime number, we want prime numbers only this side. So 2 tens is 20, 2 5s is 10, and 5 doesn't go in any other table, 5 only, 5 ones are 5. 60 again units place 0 is there, definitely it will go by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 zeros are 0. Again units place 0 is there, will go by 2. 2 ones are 2 1, remaining 2 5s are 10. Now 15 comes in table of 3 and 3 is a prime number, so 3 5s are 15. 5 is a prime number, 5 ones are 5. Now 75 will not go in table of 2 because units place it is 5. 7 plus 5 is 12, it will go in by 3. 3 2s are 6, 1 3 5s are 15. 5 5s are 25, 5 ones are 5. So we have found out. Now write the factors. 40's factors are 2 into 2 into 5. 60's factors are 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 75's factors are 3 into 5 into 5. So common factor. What is common in all the three numbers? 2 is not here in all. In this 2 are there, but in 75 2 is not there. Then 5. See this 5 is here. Here 3 is there, here 3 is there, but here 3 is not there. So only 5 is common in all the three numbers. So common factor is 5. If common is 5, then that is only the highest common factor in all the three. So HCF is your 5. Now let's see the fourth sum. 16 and 27. We have to find out the HCF of these two numbers. So let's find out the factors of 16 and 27. 16 comes in 2's table. 2 is the prime number. So write here 2. 2 8's is 16. So 8 will come down. 8 comes in table of 2. 2 4's are 8. 2 2's are 4. 2 1's are 2. 27 not comes in table of 2, but it comes in table of 3. 3 is a prime number. So 3, what times is 27? 9. So 9 will come down. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So we got all these factors. Write down the factors of 16. 2 4 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 27. 3 3 times. 3 into 3 into 3. Now common factor. Now children, if you see here, nothing is common. Here all 2 are there, here all 3 is there. Nothing is common in both this. So we can write, if nothing is common is there, HCF 1. So therefore, common factor is 1. Therefore HCF is also 1. If nothing is common, you can write it as common factor as 1. Therefore HCF is also 1. So HCF is 1. The next one is fifth question. Fifth question is three numbers again, 18, 32 and 48. So let's find out the factors of all the three first. Prime factors 18, 32 and 48. 18 comes in table of 2. Units place it is 8. Therefore it will come in 2. 2 9s are 18. 9 comes in 3's table. 3 is a prime number only. We want all prime only. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. All prime factors only. 32. 2 in units place it is 2. It will go divide by 2. If you divide 32 by 2, you will get 16. 16 2s is 32. 16 comes in table of 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Till here 1 came, stop. 48. Here it is 8. It will get divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 12s is 24. 2 6s is 12. 2 3s is 6. 3 1s are 3. Write down all the factors. 18 factors are 2 into 3 into 3. 32 factors are 2 how many times? 1 2 3 4 5. 3, 4, 5. And 48 factors are 4 times 2 and 1 times 3. Now what is common? All the 3. 2, 2, 2 is common. Here 3 is there, but here it is not 3. Here it is 3. So we can't take it. So only 2 is common. Therefore HCF is 2. Common factor is 2. Therefore HCF is also 2. What is common factor? That is only the highest common factor in all this. So HCF is 2. Now the next number, sixth sum, 105 and 154. So let's find out first the factors of prime factors of 105 and 154. Children, units place it is 5. It will not get divided by 2. For 3 you have to add the digits. 5 plus 1 is 6. So it will get divided by 3. If you divide 105 by 3, just see, 3 3s are 9, 1 remaining 5, 3 5s are 15. Yes. What you got? 35. 35. It will not get divided by 2. It will not get divided by 3. After 3 the next prime number is 5. 5's table 35 comes. 5 7s are 35. 7 1s are 7. 7 is a prime number. So we got all these prime factors. Now 154. Units place it is 4. It will get divided by 2. 2 7s are 14. 1 remaining. 2 7s are 14. 77 will get divided by directly 7. 7 1s are 7. 7 1s are 7. 11 1s are 11. So factors of 105 are 3 into 5 into 7, and factors of 154 we got 2 into 7 into 11. So what is common? Just search. 7 is common in both the numbers. So else nothing is common. So therefore HCF is also 7. What is common? That is only your highest common factor, 7. Next one, seventh sum. Seventh one I am doing here. Seventh sum is 42, 45 and 48. These are the 3 numbers. So let's find out factors of 1 by 1. 42, then 45, then 48. Units place it is 2. It will get divided by 2, children. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. 21 comes in the table of 3. 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7. 45, 2 it will not go because units place it is 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. It will get divided by 3. 3 1s are 3, 1 remaining, 3 5s are 15. 15 comes in table of 3. 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. 48, units place it is 8. It will get divided by 2. If you divide 48 by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So let's find out the factors of this. 42's factors we got 2 into 3 into 7. 45 factors we got 3 into 3 into 5. 48 factors we got 2 into 2 into 2 4 times and 1 3. Now what is common in all the 3? Just see, 3 3 3. Else nothing is common. Here 7 is there, but here no 7 are there. 5 is here, but here and here no 5 are there. So common is 3. Therefore HCF we got it as 3. Let's see the 8th sum, children. 57, 75, 102. Let's find out the factors of these 3 1 by 1 prime factors. 57, then 75, then 102. 57, 5 plus 7 is 12. 2 it will not go, but it will go by 3 because 5 plus 7 is 12. So if you divide 57 by 3, 3 1s are 3, 2 remaining, 3 9s are 27. 19 is a prime number, 19 1s are 19. Now 75, 7 plus 5 is 12, will get divided by 3. 3 2s are 6, 1 remaining, 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. 102, units place it is 2, it will go by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 5 plus 1 is 6. It will get divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. 2 remaining. 3 sevens are 21. 17 is a prime number. 17 ones are 17. So let's write the factors. 57 factors we got 3 multiplied by 19. 75 factors we got 3 into 5 into 5. 102 factors we got 2 into 3 into 17. Now what is common, children? In all the 3 is common, else nothing is common, so that is only your HCF is 3. Now ninth sum is your 56 and 57. These are the two numbers which you have to find the HCF. So let's find the factors of 56. Units place it is 2, it will get divided by 2. If you divide 56 by 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 2 8s are 16, you will get 28. Units place again it is 8, it will get divided by 2. If you divide 28 by 2, you will get 14. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. 14 comes in table of 2. 2 7s are 14, 7 1s are 7. Now 57 factors we already found out here. 3 19s are 57 and 19 ones are 19. So factors of 57 we got 2 3 times and 1 7 times. 57 we got 3 into 19. If you check in these two numbers, nothing is common. So nothing is common. Sorry, you will write here no common factor. And if common factor is nothing, you can write HCF as 1. If you are not getting any common factor, their HCF is always 1. Remember that. The last sum, 10th one. 777, 315, 588. Let's find out their factors one by one. 777, 315, 588. Now 777, it will definitely divide by, I think so, by 7 7 plus 7, it will not get divided by 2. 7, let's add the digits. 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 7 21. It will get divided by 3. Divide 777 by 3. 3 2s are 6, 1 remaining. Take this 7 down. 3 5s are 15. Take this 2 down. Take this 7 down now. 3 9s are 27. So you got it 259. Now again let's see which table it will go. 9 plus 5 is 14, 15, 16. Okay, it will not go by 2 because it is in units place, it is 9. 3 also it is not going. 5 also it will not go. Let's divide by 7. 259 by 7. 7 3s are 21. 25 minus 21 gives you 4. Take this 9 down. 7 7s are 49. Yes, will get divided by 37. So if you divide 259 by 7, you got 37. And 30. Sorry for some technical problem. We have seen that last sum. We are in last sum. 777, 315, 588. We have to find out first the prime factors. We have seen factors of 777. It will go by 3. If you divide, you got it 259 after divide. Then 259 will go by directly 7 prime number. After dividing again you got 37, and 37 itself is a prime number. So 37 ones are 37. Again we found out the next numbers factors, prime factors, 315. It will go by 3 because addition is 9. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 5 9. So if you divide you got 105. Again 5 plus 105's addition is 6. 5 plus 1 6. So it will get divided by 3. 3 is a prime number. If you divide 105 by 3, you will get it 35. 35 comes in 5's prime number. 5 stable and 5 is a prime number. 5 7s are 35. 7 1s are 7. Now the last one was 588. Let's find out its factors, prime factors. Units place 8 is there, so it will definitely get divided by 2. If you divide 588 by 2, just see here, 588 by 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 remaining. Take this 8 down. 18 it is. 2 9s are 18. Take this 8 down. 2 4s is 8. So 294. After divide you get 294. Now again it will go by 2 only because units place it is 4. So again divide 294 by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Take this 9 down. 2 4s are 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Take this 4 down. 2 sevens are 14. So you got it 147. Now it will not go by 2. Next prime number is 3. For 3 add the digits. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 7 12. So definitely it will get divided by 3. 3 4s are 12. 2 remaining 27. 3 9s are 27. 49 comes in directly 7's table and 7 is a prime number. So 7 7s are 49. 7 1s are 7. So write all these factors, children, first. 777 factors we got 3 into 7 into 37. Then 315's factors we got it, children. 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. Then 588 factors we got it. 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 7. Now children, common factors in all the 3. 3, 3, 3 is common. Rest 7, 7, 7 is same. Else nothing is common. So 3 and 7 are common. So you have to multiply them. So 3 sevens is 21. So what is common? That is only HCF. So HCF is 21 of these 3 numbers. So all the 10 sums we have seen. Very important exercise. Find the HCF. So please practice it very well. In my next part, I will upload question number 2. Find the HCF by division method. Till then, practice here. Goodbye.